If you suspect that your Venmo account has been compromised or you are unable to access it due to suspicious activity, follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Verify your identity. Visit the Venmo app or website and attempt to log in. If you cannot access your account, follow the prompts to verify your identity. This may include answering security questions or providing your phone number for a verification code. Step 2. Check your email. Look for any emails from Venmo regarding suspicious activity. They may have sent you a notification about changes to your account or instructions on how to secure it. Follow any links or instructions provided in the email. Step 3. Reset your password. If you regain access to your account or are prompted to do so, change your password immediately. Choose a strong password that you have not used before and ensure it includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Once you have access to your account, enable two-factor authentication for added security. This feature will require you to enter a code sent to your phone or email whenever you log in from a new device. Step 5. Contact Venmo support. If you are still unable to access your account or if you notice any unauthorized transactions, contact Venmo support directly. Provide them with as much information as possible to help them assist you in recovering your accounts. By following these steps, you can work towards regaining access to your Venmo account and securing it against future issues. Always remain vigilant about your account security.